In the days before SAP Business One, we worked with many different software solutions throughout the entire group, both in the group as a whole and in the individual departments. I would call them isolated solutions. That's why it was crucial for us that we didn't get around an ERP solution.
Intelligent, innovative services and systems for production are the focus of EngRoTec.
EngRoTec stands for Engineering Robotic Technology. And we basically develop automated production systems.
Our employees are the focus and the key to the success of EngRoTec. Innovative thinking characterized by practical experience and reliability. That's what sets EngRoTec apart.
After very intensive research of the market and also many providers with product presentations at our premises, the choice fell quite clearly on init, consulting AG with the product SAP Business One in connection with MariProject, which is of fundamental importance for our project management.
With our integrated solution, every user has access to a standardized database in real time. Thanks to the intuitive project management in combination with extensive evaluation options, we always ensure transparent and customer-oriented project processing.
From the outset, iNight's previous solutions for our somewhat specific ERP requirements were crucial for us.
In the course of our consultations, we managed to implement a flexible solution together with our customers that addresses all the requirements and wishes of the EngRoTec group of companies.
Since the introduction of SAP Business One with init Consulting AG, we have been mapping all of our company's processes in a single software. That means everything from a single source. The system provides us with a lot of meaningful evaluations that are of immense importance to us for our project management, enabling us to access up-to-date or real-time data. We have more transparency and traceability in all areas. The system offers us a certain degree of flexibility, especially in the MariProject area, where we have implemented a number of adjustments together, particularly in the procurement sector. As a conclusion, one can say that we, as the EngRoTec group, have realized a multitude of projects together with init Consulting, and that it was definitely the right decision to go this way. We are very happy that we have chosen init Consulting as our partner.